Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef for Panasonic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can produce a great vegetarian starter or main course option through the Panasonic high-speed oven. The dish that we're going to look at today is stuffed bell pepper. First, we take our pepper and just slice in half. We then remove the stalk and any remaining seeds. Into this, I'm going to add some cooked Israeli couscous, into which I've just added some diced feta and some finely chopped soft herbs. The cook program that we'll use is microwave P6, grill on low, on a 70% setting. The total cook time is 1 minute 15. You can see that we've got some lovely coloration from the feta, with a nice melt also, with the heat coming throughout. To serve, I'm just going to sprinkle over some sliced spring onions, some pomegranates, and just a drizzle of olive oil. For me, this is the perfect summer option for a vegetarian main course or starter produced through the Panasonic high-speed oven.